Welcome back. In this video, we are going to look into PLA research tool within SEMrush. Basically, this is a tool you can find within advertising. Under market analysis, you can find PLA research tool. I have entered ebay.com as an example. Just before going into it, PLA means Google product listing ads, where within Google search results, you can advertise for products and show those data within that. For example, maybe you type something like digital camera, you will say digital camera products, running shoes, and you will say find running shoe models. So when you create ads like this, it is called product listing ads. So that is where this product listing ad research tool comes into play within SEMrush, because when you enter a domain, can be competitor or your target domain, it will show if that domain has any PLA listing ads for them. For example, EA is a very popular example for PLA domain, PLA listing ads, because they sell products on their site. So you can see for around 1.7 million ads are being shown with this amount of keyword. So they are really big. So you can see the growth on their PLA ads over a year. We can see for 2-year data, all time, we can see all the data here. And under the positions, we can see the data from like for whichever the keyword they are running these ads and what page they are linking it out. So we can see the position data and we can see the differences and everything. I have a pro plan, but more data is only available on business plan from SEMrush here. When I click on competitors, it will show you for eBay based on this product listing and who are the competitors. For example, Walmart is a competitor for them, Amazon is a competitor for them, Etsy, all the Home Depot, all these things are shown here for you can see, because Walmart is running around this amount of PLA keyword, Amazon is running campaign for this amount of keywords. So you can see these are really huge players. So it does not need to be only huge. For example, maybe your competitors are running PLA ads, they might be doing something on a low scale option. So you can try to duplicate their strategy, see what works for them, or find hidden strategy on position on keywords and go after them as well. Next, we have PLA copies, where now you're able to see the copies which they are using for various products. Unfortunately, here also the data is limited. So just keep a note of it. If you want to do an in-depth PLA analysis, you need to have a business subscription plan. Otherwise, you will only see a basic summary view on every single one. Here it will show the ads and the keywords which that ad has linked to it. But that is also, you can see, it is not available for everyone. So that is the data available for you within PLA research tool of SEMrush.